right, kids, listen up. Here's a quick reminder, because apparently a lot of people need a reminder these days. The holidays do not care about your expectations. No, they don't. They follow the laws of the universe. They follow the laws of physics, just like everything else. And let me tell you, physics is undefeated in its weight class. It's going to do what it's going to do. There's your old pal Christmas Steve coming at you on this Christmas Eve edition 2025. Day's here. Anyway, Sir Isaac Newton said in his third law of motion that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction, which means the harder you push for the perfect holiday, the harder reality is going to push back. You try and overschedule things, boom, stress. You try to make everybody get along and be cheerful to one another. Congratulations. Now Uncle Dave is drinking too much. He's angry and he's going to lecture everybody on the beauty of free market capitalism, and nobody wants to hear that lecture again. Nope, do not do that. Don't put us in that situation. No. You want everything to be meaningful and magical and emotionally healing. That's not a holiday. That's a semi-controlled explosion of toxic positivity, which really ain't good for anybody. Nope. Now, here's the philosophical part that a lot of people don't want to hear. The universe does not respond to your best intentions. Nope. It responds to pressure. And pressure tends to crack things, even crumble them, like cookies, or plans, or people. Now, the more you grip onto Christmas and kind of think, I just want everyone to be happy, well, the more that happiness is going to slip through your fingers, kind of like star systems slipping through the tightening grip of the galactic emperor. Now, look, it's not that you're doing it wrong. You're just doing it too hard. Maybe try relaxing things a little bit. Now, Isaac Newton didn't say for every action there's a special little hallmark moment that's going to become a core memory. No, he said it was going to cause a reaction. So what if we tried to make that reaction a little bit softer by maybe loosening our grip a little bit? Now, speaking of that, say hi to your mother for me. That woman had a grip that would not quit. Sorry, I digress. What if we loosen our grip a little bit? A grip of our expectations. You know, what if the ornaments on the tree are not perfectly balanced, symmetric? What if we just kind of let the conversations happen, not control them? What if we didn't overreact if the crust on the pumpkin pie is a little bit burnt around the edge? What if we kind of let everybody sort of be themselves? Then system stabilizes. Now, it's not going to be perfect, but honestly, it's going to be a whole lot more peaceful. And yes, while this may mean that your Christmas will look less like a movie and more like some weird European documentary, but side note, documentaries are real. Movies are just lies with better lighting and pretentious costume designers. Anyway, this Christmas, you don't have to win it. You don't have to win the holiday. You don't have to control it. Just let it be. Just stop fighting the laws of the universe. And let me tell you, Christmas Steve has tried to fight the laws of the universe many times, and I can tell you that you cannot outstress Sir Isaac Newton. He invented calculus, and we're over here arguing about which wine pairs best with pumpkin pie with a little bit of burnt crust. It's ridiculous. Everybody knows that pumpkin pie pairs best with Irish coffee, burnt or not. Anyway, that's all I got. Have a Merry Christmas Eve, and Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you. Bye.